will be the main entry room. Drywall's hung, with the exception of with the whole downstairs level. There's about a foot around the bottom that will need to be done yet. The stairwell still needs drywalled, and the entire upstairs will be a finished attic type area, knee wall and sloped vaulted ceiling, about 66 foot long, and a little closet built into one end, and it will also need to be drywalled yet. It's all insulated and ready. Back downstairs into the main entry room, front door to the porch, side door to the garage. This will be a finished kitchen area. IDES has 4 8-foot ladders, 2 scaffolding planks, and 2 6-foot ladders. The bedroom, I believe, off of that, like the others, walls and ceiling done except for the bottom foot. Back out of that into the kitchen, down the hall, another bedroom. Same deal. There's a closet that needs drywalled yet, and the bottom floor. The entry hallway. This will be a laundry room. They had to shift a wall, and so something will need done. They're talking about potentially widening or narrowing the doorway. It's currently framed up for a 36-inch door, but if a standard washer and dryer will get through a 32, there's no room on, as you're exiting on the left-hand side, to trim it out. So they're thinking it needs to actually be a smaller door and frame up that left side a little bit. Back down the hallway, around the corner is a bathroom. And unsure, kind of get conflicting reports. You'll need to check with Amanda or the plumber, whether there needs to be green board up here around the tub. He talked a little bit about masonite and tiling, so I'm not sure quite how that's going to need to be finished. Hallway, small linen type closet on the back side of one of the bedroom closets. Another master bedroom here, finished up with ceiling and walls, again the foot at the bottom. Off the master bedroom are 2 walk-in closets that will need to finish drywall. We ran out of screws and drywall and time, and so those are there. And that walks into the master bathroom. Same kind of story here, whether there needs to be a green rock around the walk-in shower and the master tub, or if he's doing masonite and tiling. And so that's the far end of the house. Kind of a walkthrough so you can see what's been done and maybe see a little bit of what still needs to be done next. And so still quite a bit of drywall work to do. A lot has gotten done. We lost count, somewhere maybe 250 sheets of drywall put up this week, and a great group volunteering from Emmanuel Community Church in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Back out to the main room, and that's about it. And currently there are I believe 33 sheets of 5/8 inch drywall, and that's for the vaulted ceiling in the upstairs. may not quite be enough. We estimate about 50 more sheets for the downstairs to finish out that foot around all of the walls. And that's just using the two edges that are tapered, which leaves a lot of waste in the middle. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to be addressed, and if there's a better way or not. So that's kind of the walkthrough. This is the exterior, and beautiful home, nice country setting. It'll be a blessing to this family that went through so much as the tornadoes came through. Took the homeowner and rolled him out of his home, rolled his home away and him out of it. This used to be a double wide that sat over here behind where the IDES truck is parked, and they've not cleaned up the debris from it. It's just gone. And so this is where the home used to be, and I understand the homeowner was here, and he ended up down by the road, and holding on to a tree down there when help finally arrived. A little bit of a debris scattered, but it's all over, and so that's where this current week of IDES was at. You can see in the background beyond the IDES truck, one of the IDES sheds being put to good use as well. So again, this is providing help and hope in the name of Jesus, and it was great to work with this family this week, and just honored to be a part of that. So keep on praying, and as you have opportunity, give and volunteer and serve people, whether you're able to come here or whether you're simply serving at home, as people have needs. So thank you.